Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Am I the only one that it makes absolutely crazy when I see these stickers from the local lumber store? These things drive me crazy because every time I get ready to take one off, what does it do? It tears, it leaves junk on there, it leaves some residue on there. It is a pain in the you-know-what. I have tried tons of ways to get these things off and none of them seem to work. Why don't you just go home? That's your home. Are you too good for your home? And it seems like nothing works, but ta-da! Something does work, and I know what it is, and I'm gonna show it to you now. Do you have a hairdryer? Yeah, unless you just like her bald, maybe you don't have a hairdryer. And if you have a hairdryer, then you have a way to take this sticker off. Turn it on the low heat setting, point it at the sticker and fire it on there for about 10 or 15 seconds. Then take a putty knife, scrape that baby off of there, and it'll come off like butter. Oh my goodness, that was so easy, right? Hey, if you like that, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. More like this coming all the time. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. And it seems like nothing works. Do you have a... Ew. That was so easy, wasn't it? Why don't you...